Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am so excited because this 2021 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss is one of my personal favorite trucks, and this is one of my personal favorite specs. I love the all black look. Look at this, we got the black Chevrolet bow ties. We have the LED daytime running lights with the IntelliBeam technology. If we even look into the headlights, we see that there's a nice carbon fiber pattern in them. This vehicle has so many really cool details. Look, we even have red recovery hooks. This four-wheel drive monster is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as it is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now, coming around the side, we have our Z71 badging, just showing that this is the Trail Boss, as well as has the Z71 upgraded suspension. Look at that wishbone suspension in there. Now, here we have our 18-inch gloss black aluminum wheels with our Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac MT rated tires, meaning that this thing can go wherever, on-road, off-road, on trails, wherever you need to be, it will go. And it does that with the help of a 2-inch factory lift. That's right, GM said we're gonna lift a truck and we're gonna lift it from the factory. That is awesome. We have our assist steps, the 4-inch black assist steps, body colored door handles, as well as mirror. And coming down the side, we also see we have our tinted privacy glass. Now, something else about this being a Trail Boss, we have the Trail Boss back here, is that this does have things like a heavy-duty air filter, heavy-duty skid plates, and an external engine oil cooler. This bumper is also so awesome. It's got the integrated dual exhaust, as well as assist steps kind of cut out into it, which makes getting to the cargo area easy. Now, this is a power lift gate, meaning that with your key fob, you can open this lift gate. More on that in a little bit. We also have our backup camera, providing you with parking assistance. I love this vehicle. This vehicle also has trailering capabilities, including, but not limited to, hitch view, hitch guidance, as well as 7 and 4 pin connectors. And now, one of my favorite places to be is actually inside the vehicle. This is because we have our premium jet black fabric all throughout the vehicle. We have heated seats for the driver and passenger, and the seat controls are right there for adjustments for the driver. We have the Bose Premium Sound System, as well as Z71 off-road all-weather mats. Now, here we have our transfer case with auto, 2, and 4-wheel drive modes, bed lighting, and getting into the vehicle, very easy with those assist steps. We have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, as well as voice and audio commands for the driver. Looking here, we have our 4.2-inch driver's information center, push start button, and in terms of additional connectivity, we have our Chevrolet Infotainment System with a beautiful touchscreen capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below that, we have our dual zone climate controls, as well as those beautiful heated seat buttons. Trust me, they come in handy. And if we look, we have our hill descent control, tailgate open, tailgate close, as well as traction control buttons, and USB connectivity, power, and 120 volt power port as well. Now, just to the left of that, we have our really nicely integrated trailer brake controller. Now, this vehicle has a generous center console, and if we open up the armrest, we also see more USB connectivity, as well as illumination and lots of space. And let's just look through the remainder of the vehicle here. we see that this vehicle does have a rear sliding window, which is great for letting in extra air and really brings the rest of the vehicle together. And the passengers are going to love sitting wherever because, again, we continue this premium jet black fabric, but we also have additional storage in the seat backs, as well as the center bench seat offers a armrest with 2 beverage holders here, 2 beverage holders on the back of the console, USB charging, a 12-volt power option, rear climate vents, all-weather floor mats, seat back storage, and the real nice thing is that this bench seat does lift up, and it lifts up with ease. Simply one hand will lift it up, and you get more cargo configurations and more cargo space too. So I did say this is a power tailgate, and it is so awesome. All you do is press the button twice on your key fob, and you watch the tailgate go down while the beautiful signature LEDs flash. And this opens up your bed. We see our very, very handy bed liner, not only protecting your truck bed, but also keeping your cargo secure. And speaking of keeping your cargo secure, there are 12 cargo tie downs throughout this bed. This also has a 120 volt power plug and LED illumination for when you need to see your cargo at any point during the day or night. Now in the rear, this is power up as well. So all we do is press the button on the bottom of the tailgate and it goes up just like that. This truck blows me away. It looks aggressive, it looks trail ready, and if you would like to see it for yourself, would like to know anything else, would like to test drive it, or if you just have any questions about any of our other pieces of inventory, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. We would be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.